Let's learn to properly use the days of the week in Czech right now. Ahoj, jsem Kateřina. I'm a teacher of Czech for foreigners, and this is another lesson from my 0 to A1 course in Czech. Make sure you have printed the exercise sheet that accompanies this video from the link down below, and let's get started. Many of you already live in the Czech Republic. You might have already heard or seen the days of the week in Czech. So for the first exercise, try to sort them from Monday to Sunday in your exercise sheet. If needed, just use good old Google to help you. And here are the answers. Pondělí, úterý, středa, čtvrtek, pátek, sobota, neděle. If you find these words hard to remember, I will link a funny Czech kids song down in the description to help you.
Pondělí, úterý, středa, čtvrtek, pátek, sobota a neděle.
Once you start using the days of the week in a sentence, you need to add a preposition. In English, you would say on Monday, on Tuesday. In Czech, we use the preposition v. V pondělí, v úterý. But be careful about the endings of Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday, as the ending changes to become středu, v sobotu, v neděli. This change happens because when you add a preposition, the words take on a specific case. But don't worry, you will learn all about the cases soon. For now, the only thing you need to know is the preposition v and how these endings change so that you can use them correctly in a sentence. Now, repeat after me. Týden. Pondělí, v pondělí. Úterý, v úterý. Středa, ve středu. Čtvrtek, ve čtvrtek. Pátek, v pátek. Sobota, v sobotu. Neděle, v neděli. Now I need you to learn and memorize these words so they become second nature. So let's practice this in cvičení 2. Here are the answers. Also, this is a good time for me to remind you that this course comes along with a MEMRISE program as well, where you can practice all of the new vocabulary in a fun and interactive way. Check out the link in the description. Let me guess. You have a question on your mind, don't you? Why do we say v pondělí, v úterý, but we say ve středu and ve čtvrtek? Well, simply because it's physically uncomfortable to say v středu, v čtvrtek. So we add a vocal to make it easier to pronounce. Ve středu, ve čtvrtek. It might seem silly, but English has the same rule. You say a banana, but an apple, an orange, just to ease the pronunciation. Before we move on to the exercise 3, I do want to thank you for liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It might not seem like much, but it helps me tremendously to push these lessons out there. And now, cvičení 3. Scroll down to the comments under this video and answer the following question. Můj oblíbený den je sobota. Je volno a v sobotu jsem obvykle s kamarády. Jaký je tvůj oblíbený den a proč? As all of your answers will be different, write the answer to this question in the comments below this video. I will check all your answers and comment if any correction is necessary. Once you're finished, complete the rest of the homework section in your exercise sheet and today's lesson in the MEMRISE course to practice and memorize the days of the week. Keep learning, keep studying, and I'll see you again in the next video. Měj se hezky, díky, ahoj.